Listen, exercise 6.2, sum number 4. Draw a histogram for the following data. In this sum, they are given one table. Using this table, we need to draw one graph. Right? That is called histogram. So the class interval is given and the number of students is given. In the class interval, there are 0 to 10. That is given class interval. That is 5 students we are having. 10 to 20, 15 students, 20 to 30, 23 students, and 30 to 40, 20 students. Right? And then 40 to 50, 10 students. 50 to 60, 7 students. So how we have to draw the graph? So in the graph sheet, we have to take x and y axis. This is called, the horizontal line is called x axis. The vertical line is called y axis. Clear? This horizontal line is called x axis. The vertical line is called y axis. How we have to take the numbers? Listen, in class interval 0 to 10 is given, 10 to 20. For each class we are having 10 units we are having. 30 to 40 in between, 10 numbers we are having. So, in x axis class interval means 0 and then I take 10. In between 10 numbers we are having, and then 10 and then 20, 30, 40 like this we need to take. Number of students is y axis. So 5, 15, 23, 20, 10, 7. So here I take 5 units. Suppose we need to take 3 units, means that also we will take. But what we have to take means easily we need to mention the graph, means we need to take 5 intervals. It will be easy to draw. So for that reason I take here 0 and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. For example, in graph sheet, we are having small lines like this, 5 and then one thick line. So here mentioned here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this we have to take. But for this first centimeter I take 10 because the class interval is 10 units. Clear? So I send the PDF also, verify in the graph sheet, right? So how we have to draw 0 to 10 interval in x axis? How many students are there? 5. So in y axis 5 one will complete. Very simple. Take graph sheet and then draw the bar graph. That's all. And then 10 to 20 in class interval. This is 10 to 20. How many students? 15 students. 15 is here only. So 15 students. And then 20 to 30, 23 students. 20. In between only we are having 23. So will be here means 23 students. 30 to 40, 20 students only. Class interval 30 to 40, 20 will be here. Here we are having 20. And then 40 to 50, 10 students we are having. 10 were, here we are having 10. And then 50 to 60, 7 students. 5 to 10, in between we are having 7. So this is the class interval for this given table. And also this one also we need to write scale. X axis, this horizontal line is called x axis. X axis what we need to take? For 1 centimeter I take 10 units. In graph first line we have to write 1 only, but here I written 10. So this for this 1 unit I take 10 units. 1 centimeter I take 10 units. And then y axis I written 5 only. So 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. So very simple. Just to see the table and then draw like this. We are giving the 5 mark for this sum. Thank you. So Finally, 0 to 10, 5 students, 10 to 20, 15 students, 20 to 30, 23 students, 40 to 50, 10 students, 50 to 60, 7 students. Like this, we need to draw